Get into the 2020 Jeep Compass. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Compass, the upscale, sophisticated compact SUV with advanced safety features to protect your most precious cargo. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, electronic stability control. Don't settle for average when you can have excellent. Drive the Compass.